Spot at the fair. Grandma and Grandpa took Spot to the fair. There was so much to see and do. What would you like to go on first, Spot? I'd like to go on the merry-go-round, said Spot. Please. Grandpa lifted Spot up on the horse. You too, Grandma, Grandpa, said Spot. This is fun, Grandpa said. Grandma agreed. Ooh, I can't remember when I last did this. What next, Spot? Asked Grandma. Spot looked around. I'd like to go on the helter-skelter, he said. Spot came whizzing down. Whee! I'd like to go on that, said Grandpa. Me too, said Grandma. Grandma came down the slide, followed by Grandpa. This is great, Spot. What a time we're having. Spot laughed to see his grandparents having so much fun. Then he went on the helter-skelter again. Can I go on the bumper cars now? Spot asked. I'll sit with you, said Grandma. I'll just watch, said Grandpa. A loud buzz sounded and Spot pushed down on the pedal. They were off. There's Helen and Tom, shouted Spot. Hold tight, Grandma, said Spot, as Helen bumped her car into theirs. Bang! My word, said Grandma. This is some ride. Then Spot bumped Helen's car. That's the fun of it, said Spot, laughing. Bang! When the ride finished, Spot and Grandma climbed out of the car. That was a bit scary, said Grandma. It was, said Spot. But sometimes it's fun to be a bit scared. Where's Grandpa? Asked Grandma. He was nowhere in sight. Suddenly, Helen pointed. I think I can see him. He's carrying something big and pink. Where have you been? Said Grandma. We were worried. I got bored waiting, so I tried my luck on the coconut shy. I won this for Spot. Wow, said Spot as he licked the candy floss Grandpa had bought. You are clever. It was time to go. Thanks for a lovely fun day, said Spot. Thank you, Spot, said Grandpa. We enjoyed it as much as you did.